सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे बैंक निफ्टी के बारे में। बैंक निफ्टी reclaims 60,000 after 4 days ahead of ICICI HDFC Bank Q3 result or set key resistance level. Analysis has suggested that 60,000 was the key breakout level which the index has now crossed. The Nifty Bank Index surged in trade on January 16, a day before heavyweight HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank released their respective results for the third quarter of the ongoing financial year 2026. The index gained around 1% to 60,160.85 in the morning trading hours of Friday. This marks the first time the index has crossed the key psychological mark of 60,000 in 5 sessions. Federal Bank share were the top gainer on the index today, jumping around 6% to trade at 261.35 apiece. The lender is set to release its result for the October-December quarter of financial year 2026 today. AU Small Finance Bank share gained more than 3%, while Yes Bank, Punjab National Bank, and Canara Bank share gained over 2% each. State Bank of India, IndusInd Bank, and Bank of Baroda share were up over 1%, while HDFC Bank, IDFC First Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and ICICI Bank shares were trading in the green with marginal gain. Bucking the trend, Union Bank of India shares dropped 2%, while Axis Bank shares were trading in the red with marginal loss. Technically view of the Bank Nifty. Akash Shah, technically research analyst at Choice Equity Broking, said that 59,960 is now a critical resistance cluster, adding this the resistance move about the could revive short-term bullish. Notable, the critical mark has already been broken by the index on the downside. The analysts believe that 59,300 to 59,400 is key support, and a break below may trigger further consideration. दोस्तों, आज हम लोगों के साथ बात कर रहे हैं बैंक निफ्टी का बारे में। और बैंक निफ्टी रिक्लेम्स 60,000 आफ्टर 4 डे ahead of ICICI HDFC Bank Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में।